Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about a particular problem related with the concept of the logarithm. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about this question as well as the some properties of the logarithm, basic concept of the logarithm. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. And the question is, today's question is, if the value of the x is given here in terms of the logarithm, log with base a of the number b times c, and the value of the y and the z are also given there, and we have to show that the result of these expressions is a 1. At the first, let me write the given informations here. The given data, the given informations of these questions is here the value of the x is given here, log with base a of a number b times c. But here in our target, the x plus 1 is needed here, so we can evaluate the value of the x plus 1 directly from these relations. So adding 1, we adding this number 1 on the both sides of these equations. So adding 1 on both sides, we can add the same number on the both sides of equations. So adding 1 on the both sides, then the left hand will be x plus 1 is equals to here log with base a of the number bc plus log, sorry, here we just in this step we just add the number 1 on the both side, not log. Here in this step, in this first step, we just add the number on the both side of these equations. Then the value of the x plus 1, the value of the x plus 1 will be here the number 1 can be written in terms of the logarithm as a here the logarithm is taken with base a of the number bc, and in terms of the base a, in terms of the base a, we can change this number 1 as a log with base a of the same number a. Please remember this property of the logarithm. This is very important property. If the argument and the base of the logarithm are same, then the result will be always 1. Here we just interchange, here we just replace this 1 by the logarithm expressions. This can be further simplified as here the logarithm with the same base are here added, logarithm of the sum numbers, so we can apply the formula of the product of the logarithm. So this is the just the formula of a, b and c. Please remember this formula. If the logarithm with the same base of the any numbers are given, then the equivalent logarithm will be the logarithm with the same base of the product of the arguments. Here the b c one argument and the another argument is a, the product of the b c and the a is just a b c. This is a very important formula on the logarithm. It is called as the product formula. Similarly, here the relation for the y is given here the log with base b of the number ca. Here the relations for the y is given. So similarly we can do the same process here. The value of y plus 1, because we need here the y plus 1 in the denominator of the our target. Y plus 1 is just logarithm of the base b of the number ca plus 1. Here the just adding the 1 on the both side, and the 1 can be written in the base of b. This is same. At the for 1 we can, this here we first add on the both side, add 1 on the both side of the equations, then we replace the 1 by this logarithm equations. This is exactly 1. So this can be written as log with the base b of just number a b c. Here we do the same process as before. Here we calculate the value of the y plus 1 in terms of logarithm. And similarly, similarly the z is here given. Z is given here log with base c of the number AB, and the result of z plus 1 you can do the same by the same method. Z plus 1 will be log with base c of the number ABC. Now moving towards our target. Here the target is this expression is our target. We have to show the result of these expressions is a 1. Now substituting the values of x plus 1, y plus 1 and the z plus 1 in these expressions. Now after substituting the value, the left hand side becomes 1 over the value of the x plus 1. The value of the x plus 1 is here calculated as a, the value of the x plus 1 is here calculated as a log with base a of the number ABC plus 1 over the value of the y plus 1 is here calculated as a log with base b of the number same number ABC plus 1 over the value of the z plus 1 over z, here the z plus 1 is calculated as a, this is the value for the z plus 1 log with base c of the number ABC. Here we just substitute the calculated value of x plus 1, y plus 1 and z plus 1. And this can be further by using the concept of the interchangeability of the argument and the base of the logarithm. Let me write here the some formula related with the property of the logarithm. The log with base a of a number b, log with base a of the number b can be written as, by interchanging the argument and the base, we can write here 1 over log the this argument will be the base b and this base a will be the argument here. We can interchange the argument and the base of the logarithm by this formula. We have to do 1 over the interchanged portion. So here is the same case. 1 over log with base a of the number ABC. This can be written as here. This similar part of this part is given here. This looks like these sections. We can use this as a log with base. We can interchange the argument and the base. This will be log. Here the argument will be the base of the logarithm and this base will be the argument. Here we just use this formula in this step. Here we interchange the argument and the base of the logarithm. Similarly, here we can also do the same thing here. This can be written as log with the argument. Argument is here ABC of the base. Base is here b. Similarly, for the third term, we can do the same thing here. Log with the argument, with the base argument, here the ABC of the base. Here we just interchange the argument and the base of the logarithm. And here is the format of the logarithm with the same base, and of the different numbers, different arguments, and they are added together. So we can apply here the product law of the logarithm, and this can be written as log with the same base ABC of the product of the arguments. Here the one argument is a, another argument is b, and the next argument is c, and the product of a, b and the c is just a, b, c. Here we just use the formula of the product of the numbers in the logarithm. Here is the same. The argument and the base are the same. If the any logarithm of the same argument and the base, then the result will be always 1. Please remember this very important point also. If the argument and the base of the logarithm are same, then the result will be always 1. Finally, here we have got the result of this left hand side portions is a 1, and this is our target here. Finally, we prove the left hand side, the equivalent value of the left hand side is a 1, and we have completed our target here. This is the way of solving this particular problem. It is related with the properties of the logarithm. In our next video, we will discuss more about the particular problems related with the properties of the logarithm. Please keep watching, keep supporting this channel this much for today. Thank you.